Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader and in this video, Nvidia stock has changed everything guys. So let's take a look at the price action because we were last whole week bearish. However, Nvidia yesterday showed some signs of recovery and today it has full blown made itself bullish again. Is that the case? We'll talk about all of that in this video. Once I'll let you know, none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes, just sharing my opinion. Please do your own thing. We'll take a look at how high, if we can, on Nvidia stock continue, and where should our stop losses be, and is the bearish case over? So yes, the bearish case is over. Let me show you on my tools as well. Let's turn this on. As you can see, this is where structure is already bullish today, and this weakness that we were in is over. And let's get to the hourly interval as well, because we did see some signs of recovery yesterday in the rebound. Let's turn that tool on again. And as you can see, we little bit in the last hour showed some recovery there and then got above the cloud as well this morning in the pre-market, and structure is still bullish. So those were your telltale signs that Nvidia is looking bullish. And definitely also on the 5 minutes interval, you can just use my tools to make those decisions. And let's turn that again on. And as you can see, we were all bullish today. This is where you should take profits on the day trade side. A little bit weakness, but then this is bullish run again, and a little bit some weakness is coming again. Point is, bias is bullish. Why? Because we are above the cloud over here, right? If you need access to these tools, details are in the description of this video. Now, yes, so as just showed you, Nvidia is bullish. All right, day trade, multi-day swing, everything is bullish right now on Nvidia. Nvidia has turned itself around. Nvidia has recovered itself, and bulls are back in control. Now, where will the structure break again? Well, so this is something I have been saying again, like from videos, that 186 above we will be bullish. So we got above that, we are bullish. That becomes our going forward a trailing area. That's our stop loss. If we lose 186 anytime now, give it some buffer though, because we have a gap. But the point is that as long as we stay above $186, we will remain bullish on Nvidia. And let's take a look at the hourly interval as well, because where will multi-day weakness start if it has to come, right? Like I don't want to see it lose 188. If we start to lose that, or even if we stay hours below 189, you should a little bit size down. I mean, for the day, right? Take profits, as I just showed you on my day trading tool, right? On the 5 minutes. I mean, it's just not day trading tool. You can use it for swing multi-day. I'm saying when I showed you on the day trade interval, that very tool, it was showing us a little bit of a red structure because it's just for a day, for the day, intraday, profit taking time, right? And so we're a little bit slowing down. However, 188 is fine. Below that, a little bit size down. But then the point is that until 186 we will be fine even through the pullback. So, and that pullback is okay. But if we lose 186, that's where you got to be a little bit more cautious there on Nvidia. All right. Getting to the weekly interval as well, we have been able to hold above that level of this week. That is that yellow zone. Below that was definitely a lot more trouble for the week. We are able to hold that. That thus somehow still keeping a higher low here. So it didn't really make, because if we would close this week below 183, then it would have made a lower high, which hasn't happened because confirmation hasn't come yet. Yeah, all good so far. And Nvidia technically in the structure and everything has turned around already, as I showed you. It recovery signs came in yesterday, and today 186 above. That is the strength ongoing on the overall full-on bullish structure on Nvidia. That's all I had for you guys in this video. Please hit the like, subscribe if you found it helpful and valuable. If you need access to my tools, details are in the description of this video. All right, see you guys in the next videos. Bye.